always practice because practice makes a man perfect. हमेशा निरंतर अभ्यास करें क्योंकि अभ्यास ही आदमी को योग्य और परिपक्व बनाता है. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Shiv Shakti Study Mind. Today we are going to discuss about gravitation, which is a very important chapter of class 9th science. We will discuss about the chapter in 4 to 5 parts. Today in first part we will discuss about what is gravitation and what is the Newton's universal law of gravitation, what is gravitation constant and what is its value and what are the circumstances which lead to go to the gravitation. First we will discuss about what is gravitational force of universe or what is the gravitational force of earth. For this we will discuss a small project which when we throw two balls from top of a floor, they go towards earth freely, which means that the earth attracts them. This attraction is known as gravitational force of earth. But according to Newton's third law, when two substances are in the universe, they both attract each other. It means balls also attract the earth towards them, but according to the scenario, their mass is negligible in respect to the earth, so their attraction force is negligible. So let's begin the video. What is gravitational force of earth? The force which pulls the objects toward the center of the earth, known as the gravitational force of earth. As we have already discussed, when we throw one or two balls freely from a top of a floor, after some time they go to the earth, which means the earth attracts them. This type of force is known as gravitational force and this is known as gravity. Now let's discuss about the Newton's universal law of gravitation. Newton in 1687 proposed a law about the force of attraction between the two objects in the universe, which known as the Newton's law of gravitation. It states, what is the statement of Newton's universal law of gravitation? It states, every mass in the universe attracts every other mass with a force which is directly proportional to the product of two masses. This is the first statement, and second statement was it is universally proportional to the square of the distance between them. Means when there are two masses in the universe, they attract each other. This attraction force is directly proportional to the product of that two masses and it inversely proportional to the square of distance between these two masses. If we get two masses, first one capital M, second one small m, and the distance between them is small d, then we can say that the force F is directly proportional to the product of both capital M and small m and is universally proportional to the square of distance between them. Further, we can say that force is directly proportional to the product of masses and universally proportional to the square of the distance. From here, we get force is equal to Z M capital M into small m upon d square, which means product of masses upon distance square, where G is the gravitational constant. It is also known as the universal gravitational constant, or we can say it is Newton's gravitational constant, whose value is 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11. What is the value of capital G? There is a MCQ. What is the MCQ? It says, what is the value of capital G? The value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11. And unit of gravitational constant is Newton meter square per kilogram square. Another MCQ comes, the unit of gravitational constant or universal gravitational constant is Newton meter square upon kilogram square. Some more facts about gravitational constant. The value of gravitational constant doesn't change. You go anywhere on the earth or in the universe, it remains this 6.67 into 10 to power minus 11. Hope I am clear. This video is for English medium students. For Hindi medium students, the video of same topic will be released soon. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you found our video relative and you are getting what we are going to convey you are finding our videos helpful, joyful, so please do subscribe our channel and share with your friends who are in need. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आ रहा हो, हमारे समझाने का तरीका अच्छा लग रहा हो, तो कृपया हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, हमारे कंटेंट्स को पूरा वॉच करें, लाइक करें, अपने उन साथियों के साथ शेयर करें जिनको इसकी आवश्यकता है। यह वीडियो हमारा इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए था और हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी इसी प्रकार से इस चैप्टर के वीडियो हम 4 से 5 भागों में बांटकर आपको जल्दी ही रिलीज करेंगे। तब तक के लिए हमारा प्रयास आपकी सफलता। धन्यवाद।